Have you ever tried castor oil? This powerful natural remedy has been used for centuries to improve overall health. You won't believe the incredible benefits this simple oil can offer. Stick around until the end of the video because the last benefit will amaze you. Let's get started. Benefit number 1. Promotes hair growth. Ricinoleic acid is a major component of castor oil. When applied to the scalp, this acid can help improve blood circulation. Improved blood circulation means that hair follicles receive more nutrients and oxygen. This nourishment helps to stimulate the growth of hair. Castor oil also has moisturizing properties, which can prevent the scalp from becoming dry. A well-hydrated scalp creates a healthy environment for hair growth. The oil can also help to reduce dandruff, which can block hair follicles and inhibit growth. By massaging castor oil into the scalp, you can also reduce inflammation. Reduced inflammation means that hair follicles are less likely to become damaged. Over time, these combined effects can lead to thicker, stronger, and healthier hair growth. Benefit number 2. Moisturizes skin. Castor oil contains fatty acids that act as a natural moisturizing agent. These fatty acids help lock in moisture, keeping the skin smooth and hydrated. By forming a protective barrier, castor oil prevents water loss and ensures long-lasting hydration. It penetrates deeply into the skin, reaching the underlying tissues to provide nourishment from within. Regular application can maintain skin softness and smoothness, especially for dry or flaky skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can soothe irritated skin, while its antimicrobial properties protect against infections. This makes castor oil an excellent choice for overall skin health. Before we jump to the next point, to keep this channel going, please hit the subscribe button. It truly makes a difference. Thank you. Benefit number 3. Reduces inflammation. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil is known to reduce swelling and pain. It contains ricinoleic acid, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. When applied to the affected area, castor oil can help to reduce the inflammation that causes pain and discomfort. This makes it useful for treating conditions like arthritis, muscle aches, and joint pain. By penetrating deeply into the skin, castor oil can reach the inflamed tissues and provide relief. Regular application can help to manage chronic inflammatory conditions. Its antimicrobial properties also help to prevent infections that can cause or worsen inflammation. Benefit number 4. Strengthens nails. Massaging castor oil onto nails helps enhance their strength and prevents them from breaking. Castor oil is rich in vitamin E, which is essential for healthy nails. The oil penetrates deeply into the nail bed, providing nourishment and moisture. This hydration prevents nails from becoming dry and brittle. Regular use of castor oil can help to improve the flexibility and resilience of nails. Its antifungal properties also help to protect against nail infections. By promoting healthy nail growth, castor oil can reduce the occurrence of splitting and peeling. Massaging the oil into the cuticles can also improve their condition, leading to healthier overall nail appearance. Consistent application can result in stronger, longer, and more beautiful nails. Castor oil is a natural and effective way to maintain nail health without harsh chemicals. If you are struggling with nail fungus and have tried all the natural remedies, then check out this product in the description below. Benefit 5. Treats constipation. Castor oil is a natural laxative that expedites the treatment of constipation. It works by stimulating the muscles in the intestines, which helps to move stool through the digestive tract. When taken orally, castor oil is broken down in the small intestine, releasing ricinoleic acid. This acid increases the movement of the intestines, promoting bowel movements. Castor oil also helps to soften the stool, making it easier to pass. It is often used as a remedy for occasional constipation due to its effectiveness. However, it should be used with caution and not for extended periods. Overuse of castor oil can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. It's important to follow recommended dosages and consult a healthcare provider if constipation persists. Despite these precautions, castor oil remains a popular and effective natural remedy for relieving constipation. Benefit number 6, heals wounds. Castor oil's antimicrobial properties make it an excellent solution to promote the healing of minor cuts and wounds effectively. When applied to a wound, castor oil forms a protective barrier that prevents infection. Its thick consistency helps to keep out dirt and bacteria. Additionally, castor oil can keep the wound area moisturized, preventing it from drying out and forming a hard scab. This helps to speed up the healing process. Castor oil also promotes the growth of new tissue, aiding in the repair of damaged skin. Regular application can reduce the likelihood of scars forming. Benefit number 7, reduces acne. As castor oil possesses antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, this oil can help reduce acne. When applied to the skin, castor oil penetrates deeply and helps to cleanse the pores, removing dirt, bacteria, and excess oil that can cause acne. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce the redness and swelling associated with acne. Castor oil also helps to balance the skin's natural oils, preventing the overproduction of sebum, which can lead to clogged pores and acne. Additionally, castor oil can help to fade acne scars over time due to its ability to promote the growth of new, healthy skin cells. Regular use of castor oil can lead to clearer, smoother skin. It is a natural and gentle alternative to harsh chemical acne treatments. However, it is important to use it in moderation and to conduct a patch test to ensure it does not cause irritation. Benefit number 8, improves immunity. Castor oil can be used to improve the functioning of the lymphatic system, hence improving overall immunity. The lymphatic system is crucial for removing toxins and waste from the body. By enhancing lymphatic circulation, castor oil helps to ensure that these harmful substances are efficiently expelled. This detoxification process is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. When the lymphatic system is functioning optimally, it can better fight off infections and diseases. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties also support immune health by reducing inflammation that can impair the lymphatic system. Additionally, the oil's ability to improve circulation contributes to overall immune function. Regular use of castor oil can lead to a stronger and more responsive immune system. Benefit number 9, relieves arthritis pain. Castor oil contains anti-inflammatory properties that, when massaged into the affected area, can relieve pains from arthritis. When applied topically, it can penetrate deep into the skin and tissues. This deep penetration helps to reduce inflammation in the joints, which is a common cause of arthritis pain. Massaging castor oil into the joints can also improve blood circulation, providing additional relief. The oil's analgesic properties help to alleviate the discomfort associated with arthritis. Regular use of castor oil can help manage chronic pain and improve joint mobility. It is a natural remedy that provides a gentle alternative to over-the-counter pain medications. Using a warm compress after applying castor oil can enhance its effectiveness. Overall, castor oil is a beneficial addition to arthritis pain management routines. Benefit number 10, treats scalp infections. Castor oil's antifungal and antibacterial properties help treat scalp infections, including dandruff. When applied to the scalp, castor oil can help to eliminate the fungi and bacteria that cause infections. This makes it effective in treating conditions like dandruff, which is often caused by a fungal infection. The oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated and itchy scalp. By moisturizing the scalp, castor oil can prevent dryness, which is a common cause of dandruff. Regular use can help maintain a healthy scalp environment, preventing future infections. Additionally, castor oil promotes blood circulation in the scalp, supporting overall scalp health. It is a natural remedy that provides a gentle yet effective solution for scalp issues. Incorporating castor oil into your hair care routine can lead to a healthier, infection-free scalp. Please check out our next video above. See you shortly in the next video.